Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to remove followers on Twitter. And the first step is go to the application of X of Twitter. And here in the superior left corner in the option of your profile, you got the people you follow and the people who following you. So you're picking followers and you don't have any person verified in your followers as in the followers, so you need to pick here and all, and you can eliminate like per se that person. And here is not like Instagram. The only thing you need to uh, do for eliminate that person of your followers, or restrict the permissions of that person have in your profile, like view your content, is, for example, you need to go to for example here that person following you, and you need to go to their profile, and here in these 3 points in the superior right corner you can add or remove that the person who the list you where you got that person, for example, or you can block that person for restrict the permissions in their profile. That person can't see your content if you block that person. So these two options is the only two options you have to in some way eliminate that person of your followers. But remember, the option of eliminate that person is not exist in Twitter and X. The only thing you need to do is remove that person of a list or block that person. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.